Most AI tools you've seen so far still work at the response level. They generate text, suggest code, or simply give you instructions. But QClaw goes one step further. This isn't just an AI that replies, but it actually gets things done. So I went ahead and installed QClaw. You can download it directly from the official website, and honestly, the setup is surprisingly simple. No complicated configuration, no extra setup process. You just install it, scan a QR code, and within minutes it's ready to use. Once you enter the interface, the experience immediately feels different. Everything is managed inside one unified environment. Instead of constantly jumping between different tools, you have a single workflow where you give instructions and the system handles the rest. And that's the key difference here. You're not just asking questions, you're telling it what to do. I started with something simple. Help me organize the tax filing materials folder on my desktop. This contains all my tax documents for this year. Instead of explaining how I should do it, it directly interacted with the system, found the files, organized everything automatically, and completed the task on its own. No unnecessary steps, no back and forth, just execution. Then I pushed it even further. I told it, I need to file my tax return using TurboTax and would like your assistance. And honestly, the result was impressive. You can keep going deeper and deeper with it, to the point where it almost feels like a professional accountant handling your tax workflow for you. No matter how detailed or advanced the task becomes, it keeps following through. It doesn't really feel limited. In other words, this thing doesn't just talk, it executes. After that, I moved on to a more practical test. I wrote, I've been completely sedentary for the past year. Mostly desk work, no physical activity at all. My cardio and strength are both very low. Goal, lose around 10 kg of fat over the next 3 to 4 months. Please design a daily training program that ramps up gradually from beginner to intermediate, mixing strength and cardio with injury prevention in mind. And this is where you can really see the depth of the system. It generated a complete 12-week program in detail with structured progression, daily planning, recovery balance, and practical guidance. And again, you can always go even deeper, making the requests more specialized, more personal, and more advanced over time. Another feature I found really useful is remote control. You can send commands from your phone through WhatsApp or Telegram, and your computer will execute them in the background. It also supports extensions, so over time you can expand what the system is capable of doing. Things like generating reports, organizing data, or even building presentations, all from the same environment. And importantly, it's designed to work locally. That means your files stay on your own device, your data doesn't get uploaded to the cloud, and there's even a built-in AI security gateway that monitors everything in real time. Of course, it's not perfect yet. More complex tasks can sometimes take a little longer, and some features are still evolving. But overall, this is one of the first tools that genuinely feels like a real AI agent. Not just something that helps you, but something that actually works for you. If you want to try it yourself, I've added the official link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me until the end. If you found it useful, please support the video by leaving a like and sharing it with your friends. It really helps the channel and allows more people to discover videos like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.